In this tutorial, I'll show you how to export chart data from TradingView so you can analyze it in Excel or Google Sheets. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open TradingView and load the chart you want to export data from. Make sure your chart is set to the time frame and indicators you want, because TradingView will export exactly what is currently visible. Now, look at the top right corner of your chart. You'll see a small menu icon or drop-down button next to the chart name. Click on it. From the menu that appears, select Export Chart Data. A new window will open showing a preview of your data. Here you can review details like the time frame, timestamps, and included values such as open, high, low, close, and any indicators. Once everything looks correct, click the Export button. TradingView will now generate a CSV file and download it to your device. After the download is complete, open the file using Excel, Google Sheets, or any spreadsheet tool. Now you can analyze, edit, or share your chart data however you like. That's it. You've successfully exported chart data from TradingView. Subscribe for more TradingView tips and tutorials.